Good morning everyone. I am Priyanka Kulsandar, Assistant Professor IT Department. In my previous video, we discussed about SQL literals, SQL data languages, and SQL operators. And in this video, we discuss about table and view. It means that how to create the table, modify the table, and delete the table, and also discuss creating, dropping, and updating view. So first we discuss how to create the table. Okay. So in DBMS, the standard format of storing the data is the table. It means table is also known as relation, and it is the combination of rows and columns. So first we discuss the create table. This create table statement is used to create a table in database. So in create table statement, the column parameter, see here this column parameter specify the name of the column or field of the table, and the data type, see here data type. This data type is the type of data which we want to store in respective fields, and the fields can hold the different types like character, varchar, number, date, etc. So the optional size value can also be mentioned after the data type. See here optional size value. This size value indicates the maximum length of data for the field. It means that if the size is not given, then the default value depending upon the data type is assigned. So this is the syntax for creating the table. First one is create table, table name, opening parenthesis, then column name, data type and size, then closing parenthesis, semicolon. So this is the example of creating a table, that is student table. In this example, a table student will be created with the following attributes such as roll number. First field, that is roll number field, will contain the numerical value of maximum 3 digits. So the student name field will contain the string value of maximum length, that is 20. Then the date field will contain the data type value of standard date length. For the data type, no need to mention the size. It means for date, no need to mention the size. And the marks field will contain numerical value of maximum 3 digits. Okay. So the structure of the table will show after the record insertion. See here the structure of the student table. Now we discuss the creating new table from existing table. As select clause is used to create a table from existing table, so it can be considered as a copy of existing table. And while creating such table, we have option whether to take all the records field from existing table or not. And we can copy just structure of the existing table also. And there are different way of copying table. We discuss one by one. So first consider the existing tables student as shown in table. See here previous student table. Now in this table the syntax is that creating new table from existing table, syntax is that create table, table name, as select. Whenever you are creating new table from existing table, you have to use select. Okay, so as select start from existing table name. So for example, create table, new student name. So our new table, that's new table name, that is new student 1, as select from student. It means that existing table name, your existing table name, that is see here existing table name student. Okay. So this is the structure of your new, this is the structure of your new student 1 table. Now we discuss the creating new table having specific fields but all the record from existing table. It means that the syntax is that create table, table name, as select field 1, field 2 from existing table name. So for example, create table, new student name, table name our new student 2. Then as select roll number, student name from student. See here from this table we select roll number and student name. So the output is that roll number and student name. It means that new table is created, that is student, new student 2. Okay. In this table, we discuss specific field but all the record. It means that you have to select either roll number, student name, marks, or either select roll number and student name. It means that specific field but all the records. Okay. Now we discuss the next type, that is creating new table having specific record but all the fields from existing table. Now our existing table is here. Okay. From this table, with the help of this table, we find out the specific record but all the fields from the existing table. It means that the syntax is here: create table, table name, add, select, star from existing table name, where condition. So example is here: create table, new student 3. Okay. As select star from student, where marks greater than 90. It means that here our new table is created, new student 3. It means roll number, student name, date of birth and marks. It means that specific record greater than 80. It means here only two records are available greater than 80. It means 90 and 85. So only these two records are displayed, 90 and 85. It means that specific record but all the fields, all field means nothing but the all attributes, that is roll number, student name, birth date and marks. Okay. Now we discuss the creating new table having no records but all the fields from existing table. Now syntax is here: create table, table name, add, select star from existing table name, where false condition. Okay. So create table, new student 4, add, select star from student. Student is nothing but our existing table. So where 1 equal to 2. Now in this example here 1 equal to 2 is the false condition. It means that the newly created table will structure wise same as the existing table, but it will no record get copy. So it means that roll number, student name, birth date and marks, our newly created table. Okay. Now we discuss how to modify the table. Whenever you modify the table, alter table query is used for modifying table of a structure, and we can add, delete or modify a column. Now first we discuss adding new column in a table. So the syntax is here: alter table, table name, add column name, that is data type. So see in this example, adding column grade in a table student. It means your existing table you have to add column, that is grade. For this, with the help of this syntax, you find out the new table. It means alter table student, add grade, varchar 2. Okay. So next we discuss dropping column from table. For that syntax is here: alter table, table name, drop column, column name. It means you have to drop the particular column. For example, deleting column grade from the table student. For that, alter table student, drop column grade. It means you have to delete grade column. Now we discuss the modifying column of a table. It means that the syntax is here: alter table, table name, modify column, column name, data type. It means that which column you have to modify. For this query, you write down the column name and data type. It means that changing the data type and size of the column, roll number of student table. So alter table student, modify column name and size. Okay. So next one is deleting all records from table. In that case, you have to use syntax, that is truncate table, table name. It means that, for example, deleting all the records from new student 1. So truncate table, table name, that is new student 1. Okay. Now we discuss how to perform the operation on delete table. So drop table query is used to delete the table permanently from the database. Always remember, drop table query is used to delete the table permanently from that particular database. So syntax is here: drop table, table name. For example, deleting the new student 1 table from the database. So drop table, new student 1. This is the syntax, and this is the example of delete the table. Now we discuss the next topic, that is view. Now in SQL, a view is a virtual table that containing the records of one or more tables which is based on the SQL statement executed. Just like a real table, view contains row and columns, and you can add SQL function where and join statement to a view and present the data as if the data were coming from the one single table. It means that the changes made in a table get automatically reflected in original table and other things. So the purpose of view, that is view, is very useful in maintaining the security of database. Now consider a base table employee having the following data. See, first table, employee ID, employee name, salary and address. This is the base table. Now just consider we want to give this table to any user but don't want to show him salary of all the employees, and in that we can create view from this table which will contains only the part of the base table which we wish to show the user, show to the particular user. It means that this view is created, employee ID, employee name and address. Okay, so also in multi-user system it may be possible that more than one user may want to update the date of the same table. So consider two users, A and B, want to update the employee table. In such case, we can use view to both these users. It means that this user will make changes in their respective view and the respective changes are done in the base table automatically. It is nothing but view. Now we discuss how to create, dropping and update the view. First we discuss how to create a view. Consider the existing table, that is student. So creating view having all records and fields from existing table. For that syntax is here, create or replace view, then view name as select column name column 2, okay, and from table name where condition. It means that, for example, creating a view of basic table student with the same structure and all the record. Structure is same and all record are present. It means that create or replace view. Okay, create or replace view student view 1. Student name, it means that our table name, that is student name, student. So replacing with the help of this name student view 1 as select star from student. Now output is here student view 1. This is our table name or view name. Okay. Now we discuss the creating view having specific fields but all record from the existing table. It means that specific fields but all record are included. So syntax is here, create or replace view, view name, then as select field name 1, field 2 from the existing table name. Okay. For example, create or replace view student view 2. Okay, and add select roll number name from the existing table, that is student. Now output is here, newly created view will be roll number and student name. See here, roll number and student name from the existing table, that is student. Now we discuss the creating new view having specific records but all the field from existing table. It means specific records but all the fields are included in this view. So syntax is here, create or replace view, view name, add select from star, add select star from existing table name and where condition. So see here example, create or replace view student view 3, add select star from existing table name, that is student, where condition marks greater than 90. It means that those students having marks greater than 90, it shows in this table. So roll number, student name, date of birth and marks. So there are two students display, that is having the marks greater than 80. So see here Kunal and Radhika. We discuss the updating view. Update query is used to update the record of view. It means that updation in view reflects the original table also. Means the some changes will be made in the original table also.